Hello, this is Christian Cassell with your weekly weather briefing for the period of March 31st through April 6, 2022. Let's get started. In addition to continued drought conditions, the main concerns will be weather systems impacting primarily the mountainous regions both today and again Monday and Tuesday of next week. Another very minor system Saturday may bring trace to 1-inch accumulations to some mountainous areas Saturday, and this will be the only time that event is discussed in this presentation. Breezy west winds will prevail through much of the next 7 days, likely to peak next Tuesday with the passage of a cold front, but should remain below needing any high wind highlights, at least at this time. Here's a graphical view for the anticipated impacts for the upcoming week. With the breezy conditions, typically low minimum humidity values this time of year, and dormant grasses pre-green up, there will be a low-end grass fire weather threat throughout much of the period, especially in areas that missed out on precipitation the first part of this week. The 7-day precipitation forecast starting 6 p.m. yesterday evening through 6 p.m. next Wednesday shows precipitation, mainly in the form of snow, heavily favoring the higher mountains of western and southwestern Montana. The most significant precipitation event looks to be Monday into early Tuesday. A winter weather advisory is in effect through this afternoon for Madison and Gallatin counties as a passing weather system brings accumulating snow to much of the greater Bozeman, Ennis, Big Sky, and West Yellowstone areas. Heaviest snow rates will be through this morning, with isolated to scattered snow showers in the afternoon tapering off toward evening. The best chance for more significant snow accumulations over the next 7 days will be early next week, especially Monday into early Tuesday, where there is greater than 90% confidence that Marias Pass and the Rocky Mountain front will see greater than 4 inches of snow accumulation. Accumulations up to 4 inches will be possible over much of the rest of the mountains, particularly in the higher elevations of Beaverhead, Madison, and Gallatin counties. Winter weather highlights may be needed for some of the mountain passes with this event. The outlook for the following 7 days from April 7th through the 13th calls for about equal chances for above or below normal temperatures, while there is a slightly greater signal for above normal precipitation than for below normal precipitation. Here's a recap of the main impacts expected across Montana this week. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us via any of the methods listed at the bottom of this slide. Thanks for tuning in and have a great week.